Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where we unlock financial strategies designed for the smart and ambitious. Today's topic is a game changer for anyone who wants to make their spending work for them. We're diving deep into the best credit cards for cashback and travel rewards in 2025. Whether you're an everyday shopper, a frequent flyer, or someone just getting started with credit, this guide will help you understand how to maximize your returns on every swipe. In 2025, credit card companies are offering more competitive perks than ever before. From enhanced travel protections to huge sign-up bonuses and rotating cashback categories, the right card can literally save or earn you thousands of dollars annually. This isn't just about spending, it's about strategizing. So grab your notepad because we're breaking it all down in detail, card by card, category by category. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to choose the perfect card tailored to your lifestyle. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding credit card categories in 2025. Before diving into specific cards, it's important to understand the main types of credit card available in 2025. Cashback cards. These offer you a percentage of your spending back as cash, usually in categories like groceries, gas, dining, or even a flat rate across all purchases. Travel rewards cards. These let you earn points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, car rentals, and other travel expenses. Hybrid cards. These combine cashback and travel rewards, giving you flexible redemption options. Rotating category cards. These offer higher cashback in different spending categories that change each quarter. Premium cards. With high annual fees but top-tier benefits like airport lounge access, travel insurance, concierge services, and more. Understanding these categories is the first step toward choosing the right card that matches your financial goals. Section 2. Best Cashback Credit Cards of 2025. Let's explore the top cashback credit cards in 2025 that are making waves across the financial industry. 1. Citi Custom Cash Card 2025 Edition. 5% cashback on your highest eligible spend category each month, up to a cap. No need to enroll or track categories manually. No annual fee. Ideal for users with variable spending habits. 2. Chase Freedom Unlimited 2025. 1.5% cashback on all purchases. 5% on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. 3% on dining and drugstores. Intro APR for 15 months. Strong sign-up bonus. 3. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Flat 2% unlimited cashback on all purchases. Great for users who want simplicity. Introductory APR and welcome bonus included. 4. Blue Cash Preferred Card by American Express 2025. 6% cashback on U.S. supermarkets up to a yearly cap. 6% on select streaming services. 3% on transit and gas. Annual fee applies, but is easily justified by rewards. These cashback cards are perfect for daily expenses and reward you just for living your regular life. Section 3. Best Travel Rewards Credit Cards of 2025. For frequent travelers or even occasional adventurers, these are the best travel rewards cards in 2025. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred 2025. 2x points on travel and dining. 5x on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Points are worth 25% more when redeemed through Chase Travel Portal. Strong insurance benefits and flexible redemption. 2. Capital One Venture Rewards Card. 2x miles on every purchase. Transfer miles to over 15 travel partners. Global entry or TSA pre-check credit. Low annual fee for premium travel perks. 3. American Express Gold Card 2025. 4x points at restaurants and supermarkets. 3x points on flights. Flexible membership rewards points. Great for foodies and frequent domestic travelers. 4. The Platinum Card by American Express 2025. Premium travel benefits, including lounge access, elite hotel status, and travel credits. 5x points on flights and hotels booked through Amex Travel. High annual fee, but unmatched value for luxury travelers. These cards are built for the traveler who wants every journey to be more rewarding and comfortable. Section 4. Key trends in credit cards for 2025. As we look deeper into 2025, some major trends are shaping the credit card industry. Customization and AI-powered spending tools. Cards now come with AI features that analyze your spending and suggest ways to optimize rewards. Sustainability-linked rewards. Some cards offer additional points or cashback when you support eco-friendly merchants or offset carbon emissions. Crypto-integrated rewards. Select cards offer cashback in cryptocurrency or allow points to be converted into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enhanced security and virtual cards. With fraud detection at an all-time high, virtual card numbers and biometric verification are standard. These trends are turning credit cards into financial companions, not just spending tools. Section 5. Choosing the right credit card. A strategic approach. Here's a step-by-step approach to choosing the perfect card. Analyze your spending habits. Check your top 3 spending categories each month. Determine your travel frequency. Do you travel monthly, yearly, or rarely? Assess your credit score. Some premium cards require excellent credit. Compare sign-up bonuses. Choose cards with bonuses that you can meet within the required time. Evaluate fees versus benefits. A card with a $95 fee might bring you $600 plus in annual value. Look at redemption flexibility. Ensure your rewards can be used how you want, whether for travel, statement credits, or shopping. Make your card work for your life, not the other way around. We've covered a lot of ground today, from cashback champions to luxurious travel cards, and even futuristic features like crypto rewards and AI spending tools. The right credit card in 2025 isn't just about rewards. It's about how it fits your lifestyle, spending behavior, and financial goals. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people when it comes to credit literacy. But don't just stop at watching. Take action. Review your spending, apply for the right card, and start earning rewards that make your life easier, richer, and more enjoyable. If you found value in this video, please support the channel by subscribing to InvestoSphere. Like this video, drop a comment with your favorite card, or share your credit card strategy. We'd love to hear how you're earning rewards. And finally, I'll leave you with a few questions. Which type of reward do you value more? Cashback or travel perks? Do you think premium cards are worth the annual fee? What feature do you wish credit cards would offer in the future? Let's start the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay invested, stay rewarded.